Hey traders, I hope you all having a nice weekend and I hope you enjoyed the strategy I've just uploaded yesterday and maybe just try this Thursday and do let me know in the comment section. And if you haven't seen that strategy yet, I'll put the link down there in this video so you can click on the link and also get benefit from the strategy. So with that being said, let's start our analysis today with natural gas, gold and crude oil. But before I start my analysis, like always on weekends, I want to show you the trades I have taken, the way I've taken the trades and the way we entered the trades using our candlestick patterns. So if you don't want to watch this part of the video, I'll put the timestamp right up there so that you can skip it to the analysis part of the video. But if you want to watch it, trust me guys, it's going to be really beneficial for you if you are trading with me on this channel. And the way I enter the trades and the way I take entries, it will be more clear for you to understand my analysis. So let's start with this trade we have taken in my priority group. So this is a trade I've sent to my priority group right here. We got a nice double bottom pattern. I have also mentioned in my priority group that we are going to enter with this trade. And let me show you the frustrating thing about this trade. It will help you with the psychological part of the trading as well, because this trade really got onto my nerves, but I'm still in this trade. As you can see, it's still running here. I have a small account with Onda. I normally trade with IC markets, but I do have a small account here so that as I do analysis here, and I also want to show you the examples by taking some small trades here, and I do trade natural gas just on this Onda platform. So right here, what do we have? As you can see, I entered here, right here, I entered here, and market pushed up, and as you can see here, it was about to hit my take profit, and I saw this trade when the market was here, but I left my position running. The disadvantage of taking your profit earlier, if you are taking a losing trade and you're waiting for the market to hit your stop loss, then why not waiting for the market to hit take profit? So if you do like this again and again, then it will really affect your equity. If you are waiting for the market to hit your stop loss, then you should also wait for the market to hit your take profit. Doesn't matter if the market push back down, you have done your analysis, you know you have entered the right trade, then there is nothing to worry about. Either it should go hit your stop loss or it should go hit your take profit. That is why I left this trade running. I didn't know that if the market will push up and hit my stop loss, but it did not. And as you can see, the market pushed back up again as I was confident with my analysis. So if you're taking a complete loss, make sure you take full profit as well. If you keep on going like that, you're taking your loss and then you are taking half of your profit, then the percentage of losses will increase the percentage of your profit. So this is not good for your trading and for your mindset. Once you open your trade, just keep it running until it hit your take profit. And as you can see, this trade is now running from last 5 days, and I'm still running. Yes, you have to be patient if you want to earn money out of the market. It's nothing magical here, and that's totally up to you. If you want to take profit before that, I told you the disadvantage of doing that. I normally do wait for the market to hit my take profit or a stop loss. So this was a one trade I have taken myself, and another trade I have sent in my priority group. So this was the trade I've sent, and also I've with that I have sent this zone in my weekly forex zones report. I've already sent this zone. I've already informed traders that once we hit this zone, we can expect to take buy trades. And as you can see, we got a nice entry reason right here with this engulfing pattern, and market is pushing up, expecting a market to hit our take profit or stop loss. That doesn't matter. I have my protection there. So this was a trade I've taken. Another trade I am in at this point. As you can see, this is a big position at 140 pips position and still pushing up, and I'm hoping the market will push up. Here you can see we have this zone right here, and I was expecting a good bounce out of this zone, and as you can see we got a bounce. Not sure if it's going to hit my take profit or stop loss. So these are the zones I sent to my priority members. Again guys, priority group is not a signal group. I do not send a tons of signals there. Yes, I do send priority trade signals 1 to 3 times a week, showing the traders the entry patterns, the way you enter the market once you hit this zone, and then I also send them weekly forex zones so that you know where to expect a bounce from, or if we have a break above, you know where to take our trend continuation. Basically it's more of educational group where you learn trading and where you become more independent by taking your own trading decisions rather than just relying on the signal group. So these are trades I've sent, and these are some of the trades I'm in. I'm also in the other trades. In this small video I can't show every single thing. So guys, if you want to join this group, if you want to learn more about trading, I have a link in the description. But if you want to join it for free, you can join one of my partner broker, and I will add you in my priority group for free. So you can also check entries with me, and if you can also ask many questions as you want to in regards with trading. So with that being said, and with this long talking, let's start our analysis with natural gas and what to expect this coming week from natural gas. So let's start here. So before I continue this video, let me show you what I've said in my previous video so that we can connect the dots so that you know how and when to enter and when not to enter, and when the condition change, what we need to do. Still looks bullish to me. As you can see, this candle is looks bullish to me as well. If we close here, then this will likely to become as a 382 candle or 25% candle. So what happened was the market was pushing up, and like I said in my previous video, I was expecting a good push up, and that time this candle was right here on one day. This candle was pushing up, and I was expecting a market to close here to get the pin bar. But instead, the market pushed down with the equal body here, which means the indecision between buyers and seller. And instead, we got a red candle that closes back in my selling zone. So this is how the conditions got changed, and instead we got a double top right here. Market gave us a double top reason to enter, and here you can see the 180 target has been hit at that time. But like I said, guys, in my priority group, I do send these entry patterns. I do point out these entry patterns to the traders so that once they see this side of condition, they know that they have a good signal to enter trade. If you have entered the buy trade using the 50% retracement, like I teach you guys, that would be your position. What I normally do, I mark my position tool right at the 50% retracement. I push my take profit to 161 retracement, and then I push my stop loss as 1 to 1 risk to reward ratio. So it looks something like that. The stop loss still hasn't hit if you are in a long trade, but if the market hit the stop loss 8.118, then yes, that will be your stop loss. So now what to expect from natural gas? Let me finish with capital.com first. So as you can see, the market is now not breaking and closing below 50 EMA, and I always want to see at least two candle close below 50 EMA. If you have been following me from last couple of months, you know how I enter below 50 EMA. And if you look back on a daily time frame, right here we do have a double top right here, and we had this 382 candle right here, we had this pin bar right here. So according to the daily time frame, we do see a bearish pressure with this candle. But if you see one more factor here, I will clear you if you want to buy or sell. I will clear you both points. So right now I just want to show you the analysis. Since the market is pushing up right here, every time the market hit 20 EMA, it pushes up, move back up and hit 20 EMA, pushes up. Came back down, hit 50 EMA, then again pushes up. Now on daily time frame, as you can see, the market pushed down, did not quite hit the 50 EMA, and now we can expect another push up. Let's go back on 4-hour time frame. At this stage, I'm not going to enter any trade. If we have a break and close above now 20 EMA, as you can see on 4-hour time frame, market pushes up. Every time it hit 50 EMA, pushes up. One candle closes below and now pushing up. Market being in an uptrend on a 4-hour and on the daily time frame, if we have a break and close above 20 EMA and then we have another close above 20 EMA, then we have a likely chances that the market will break above this previous high and it can move up towards the next resistance. So now this is the key point, this is the key level from where I'll be looking to a good entry reason. And if we have a break and close below 50 EMA, not one candle, I want to see two candle closes below. If we have a break and close below 50 EMA, then we have a good chances that the market will push down back to the support. So at this point, being in an uptrend on a daily time frame, here, right here, and on 4-hour time frame, looks up. But on a daily time frame, looking at this double top move, if we get a push down, we can get a push down till 20 EMA, or maximum we can get a push down to 50 EMA, which is 7.264, from where we can expect a push up again. So this is the maximum I'm looking the market can push down on a daily time frame. But right here at this point, you have your both conditions. If we have a break above 20 EMA, then I will look for buying opportunities. If we break below 20 EMA twice, then I will look for sell trades until we hit 50 EMA on a daily time frame. So this is a key level and this is a decision level from where we will decide how to enter. So here on Ovanda, it's a similar condition. If you want to look back, just look back the currency.com analysis. Everything looks same, and you already know this level here. I've already marked these levels on in my previous video. But if you are still confused, you can always DM me on Instagram and ask about the level. I'll get back to you ASAP. So this is what I'm expecting for natural gas for Monday. Keep an eye, break and close above 20 EMA. Yes, we go long, break and close below 50 EMA. Yes, we go short. I want to see good to break and close below 50 EMA. And if we have a break above this previous high, then we have a very good chance that the market will hit this minor resistance. And being in an uptrend on a daily time frame, I want to see a next candle push up, break and close above here. Then we have a good chances market to hit the next resistance. Let's check gold here. So what do we have here on gold? Right here, we got a winning trade. Let me show you what I've said in my previous video so that you know how we enter trades and how you know how I take my entries personally. We had a pullback, came back down, has not closed below this rejection zone. So we are getting this bullish engulfer. Once we have a good close, break and close above this zone or this previous candle, then we have a likely chances the market will push up. And let me give you the targets as well. So just place a long position here once we have a close above this red candle. Check the ATR. The ATR of this candle is 8 at this point. Move your stop loss, take profit to 8. Stop loss 8. Okay, exactly as mentioned in my previous video, if we get this green candle engulfs the previous candle, which we did have, and I already mentioned the targets there, and we have our target hit, and the market is now pushing down. So what to expect next from gold now? We can expect another push down, and we can expect a good entry reason to take long trades. And now I'm expecting market to hit this red zone, which is 1872. Once we hit this zone, I will look for my selling opportunities either as an engulfer or a double top move or a pin bar. Whatever I get, I will update you guys as usual. So at this point, gold is above 50 and 20 EMA and still looks bullish to me. Yes, we can get another retest of 50 EMA before we get another push up. I will not go short until we break and close below 1839. Okay, right here on crude oil, as you can see, we hit our major level of resistance. I was looking for an entry. We did have an engulfing candle, but that is more like a pin bar. I want to see a good engulfing that engulfs the previous wick as well, which didn't happen. And now still want to see a good engulfing candle right here. Once we have an engulfing candle fully engulfs the previous candle, I will go short with using my 180R as a target. We can get engulfer or we can get a double top move from here. So this is our selling zone. You can check your ATR as a target, 180R above and 180R below. So that's all for now, guys. If you are getting value out of my analysis, please don't forget to hit a like button for me as I upload analysis daily so that we can all trade efficiently. I hope you enjoy your weekend. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.